best vegan sushi in the world.
Oh yeah.
And then this is the offcuts, which is what we call the fail plate. Alright, we're going to show you how to make vegan sushi. The best vegan sushi. So we start with
the rice.
The vegan sushi rice. I guess the rice is always vegan though.
All rice are vegan.
Yeah.
Now if you want to be fancy, you start with pouring in some water. And then before you boil it,
yeah,
you put your hands in like this. And then as you see, like the water becomes
to get
cloudy.
rid of the, what do you call it, the starch?
The starch, yeah, this is how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
And then you do this for a couple of times, so...
Wow, that's a lot of starch. That's
yeah,
made
it
the
is
water
a lot
white
of
immediately.
starch. Yeah. So, let's have a lid.
I don't often make food videos for this channel, but I thought, why not? We're in lockdown, so yeah.
Can't find the lid. This in here?
And a lid. Wait. That's the one. Nope. Not even close. I'll get some other ingredients ready now. It always makes a lot of sushi. Whenever we make this, it's always like 3 plates worth of sushi.
Go big or go home.
Yep. And now you can see our food cupboard. The ultimate
quarantine
food cupboard. Look at that.
The food stash.
Beautiful.
And then the most random thing ever that Stef brought yesterday. Lemon and lime marmalade.
Oh yeah. No, that's... So here are the ingredients. We have the rice cooking, sushi papers, the seaweed papers,
Nice.
cucumber, pepper, the most important ingredient of all, avocado, plant chef mayo, sesame seed, soy sauce and vinegar. Yeah. Look at all that. Oh, goodness.
Can't wait to dig into some sushi. Let's see what else we have in here. Just gonna put the rice in here to cool down for a bit before we start rolling the sushi. No, don't look.
Alright, so we've added the vinegar and then now just needs to cool down and then we can... The ingredients of this mayo is actually pretty good. Surprisingly, from Tesco's Plant Chef.
This.
Oh wait, let me get it. Oh yeah.
I always wanted to do that, like you do like
oh,
this.
so it hits it and then it comes out.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Avocado is definitely the best ingredient.
Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
You want to have the rough side up?
Rough side up, yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically what you do, you put the rice on the paper and then the rough side is up like that. Put the rice on the paper, it might be a bit hot at first. So we just left it to cool down for a while there. And then you're just going to spread it around the paper to make a thin layer of rice, but you leave a strip at the top like that, and that's so you can roll it and then stick this bit to the top. And then you also just put ingredients like, you know, cucumber or something. So for this one we're using avocado, cucumber, pepper, and then usually we would use tofu as well, but we don't have any tofu now. And then sesame seeds go on the top once it's all cut up into the rolls. So yeah, as you can see here, look at that, beautiful. Expertly done there. Very good. Then to start it, just press this one to turn it off.
Okay.
So I think I'll add in some avocado. Oh, these are big slices though. Maybe we should do smaller.
Yeah, for me those smaller.
Mayo. That's it.
Yeah. What about some sesame seeds?
Inside?
Okay, but we don't need to.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, let's roll this baby up.
Roll it up.
I will help to water the ends here so that they will stick together. Alright, that should be it.
Done.
First roll is done.
First roll. I think I might just now cut to like when we've done them all.
Yeah.
So you basically just put in the ingredients in the middle and then roll it over. But then this bit needs to be wet, the little end of the paper there. This is what we do with the leftover bits. We just make them into little rice balls like that, and then put on avocado, bit of vegan mayo, sesame seeds. Beautiful. This is how many rolls we ended up making.
There's gonna be a lot of sushi.
Oh yeah, it's going to be loads of sushi.
Oh yeah.
It's actually a really good meal for meal prepping as well, because it tastes just as good when it's cold the next day.
No, it doesn't taste as good.
You don't think it tastes as good?
No, because the rice gets all hard, and it's not like you can do that with other rice dishes, like because no, with other rice dishes you can just put in water into the rice and it will taste the same, but you can't just like sprinkle some water on sushi.
I actually think it tastes just as good the next day.
Well, then you are not a sushimi.
I am a sushi. It's been confirmed. Oh no, look, we've ripped the paper.
The sushi has been ripped, people.
Well, this is obviously the one that you rolled, so.
You're the one who sprinkled on the water.
Right, cut. best vegan sushi in the world.
Oh yeah.
And then this is the offcuts, which is what we call the fail plate.